everyone, welcome back to my channel Bridart. I'm Reed and today's video will be on winter haul. What I shopped from Sarojini Nagar, from Coops, a little bit from Jabong as well. So I'll be showing you guys so let's get into the video. So the very first thing that I want to show you, these all are from Coops. I got all of these from Coops. As you know, Coops is having a huge sale this time, and when I shopped it was 40% off and now it's 60% off, so you guys can still go to Coops and shop. So the very first thing that I got from Coop is this velvet high waist pants. I would say this is more like a pajama, but I really love it. You can wear it anytime, and it's so soft, so cozy, and it's so warm. I got this for around 500 rupees from Coop, and I really like it. It's so nice. Second thing that I got from Coop is this crop top, which comes like till my waist. I mean, there are pant begins. So I really like this. You can wear it under your coats or just like that. I really like that it has this V detailing going on. I really like it, and I wore it once. I wore it on my I wore this on New Year under my coat and with a good neck piece and a good top. So I got this for somewhere around 3 to 400 rupees. I don't remember the exact price. I got this for something around 3 to 400 rupees, and I really like it. Now coming on to footwears that I got from Coops. Now I got 3 footwears. Two are shoes and one is heels. So let me begin with the heel first. I got this beautiful rose gold, not rose gold exactly, beautiful gold heels from Coops. I really like them, and these were just for rupees 700. I love this is so comfortable. You can wear it with any type, even you can wear it with churidars, anarkalis, western skirts, anything, and this will go with everything. I love it. From Coop is this beautiful white shoes, and I really like them. This is has some this elastic over here and silver detailing here. I am usually on the size 38, but when I got them it's a little tight on me, so I think I'm gonna I'm gonna get one size bigger in this. So that's it. I like that, and these were for 800 rupees. The next thing that I got from Coops are these gum boots. I love them. I've worn them already. You guys have okay, I'm coming up with a lookbook, winter lookbook, and then I'm coming up with my Mashobra trip vlog. So you guys will see me wearing this there, and I love them. These are so warm. I mean, in Mashobra it snowed there, and the temperature was around -4, and these were the perfect ones. They are so soft, so cozy, especially because they have these fur inside, and it's really comfortable. And this is still available on Coops, and black size was also available, but I got this one because I love this color. These were for 1200 rupees, and I mean, originally they were for 2300, so I got it for 1200, which is a steal. Love them. So that's all that I got from Coops, and now we will move to Jabong. I just bought one thing, and this is this beautiful sweater from Dorothy Perkins, and I love this brand because of this brand has something in it. I mean, the seaming and the way the stitching is done, even if it's their purse, footwear, anything, it looks so classy, and I love this brand. You guys have to check it. It's Dorothy Perkins written here, Dorothy Perkins, and it's available on Jabong. I got this lovely beautiful sweater with the lace detailing right near the waistband. I love it, and this was originally for 2800 and I got it for 1500 and I love it. If you guys have seen my vlog, my Jammu vlog, then you guys know that I was in Jammu, starting of December. So I shot a lot from there as well. But the only thing that I wanted to show you, because this is like my favorite, is this pashmina stole, which I got from Jammu in this Burberry print. I love it. It's so soft. It is like, the pure pashmina. It's semi pashmina, not pure, and it's this. It's so light, and this is, I think the shopkeeper was telling me it is only 20 grams. This is what he was telling me, and I love it. It is so nice. This has to be my favorite one. I wore it in my New Year vlog also. If you guys have seen it, I wore it there. So I think I'm gonna wear it right now as well. Okay, I think I should wear it. A lot from Sarojini Nagar, and the main reason would be because I wanted to make a video. I used to go to Sarojini Nagar when I was a kid, but over the period of time, you change your lifestyle and you change your things. But now I still feel that Sarojini Nagar is one of the best markets in Delhi, and people really, are crazy for Sarojini Nagar, especially people who are living outside Delhi. So I just wanted to make a video because I got such a good response from you guys on Sarojini Nagar shopping haul video that I posted, I think 2-3 months back. So I thought, let's just shop again from Sarojini Nagar. And the only thing that I have seen a lot of YouTubers posting Sarojini Nagar video, and though they give really nice tips, but the really the one tip that I would just like to give you, apart from carrying water and carrying big bags and stuff like that, the one and the real thing, the real tip that I would like to give you guys is, if you going to Sarojini Nagar, I just like to dress comfortably, and with comfortably I mean I would like to wear something long over my jeans or something, because there are times that you want to dig in somewhere to get perfect stuff, and but if you guys are, I mean, this is my personal experience, if I'm wearing something long and something that won't my, I mean, I don't have to cover my bag or something, and I can very how do I say it, I can easily dig myself and search whatever I want to without taking care of where my jeans and where my top and this and that is going. So I would recommend you guys, like I always do, is wear something pretty long, so that even if you're sitting, even if you're bending down, or you're taking out something, or you're doing something, you don't really have to worry about your jeans and your tummy and your back and stuff like that. So that would be the my only tip that I want to give you guys, because you guys have been seeing the YouTube videos, and we all know that it's very basic to carry water, carry bags and stuff like that. So let's get into the video. So the show you guys are some beautiful pieces of jewelry. Now I have wore this in Mashobra, and I got a lot of compliments from you guys about this neck piece. It's kind of a choker, I don't know. It's very beautiful. It comes like this, and I love it. I got this only for rupees 100. I love it, especially these tassels. Cherry is going here and there. What is up? The next thing that I got is this bracelet. I love it. It still has a tag. It's Nice et Moi. I don't know what. Can you see the tag? It says some kind of brand that I don't know, but I love this bracelet. So nice, so pretty, and very nice. This was also for rupees 30 only. The next beautiful earrings that I got, and the next purchased these beautiful earrings. This is very delicate piece, and I don't know, it doesn't have any brand name, but I love this one. It's so pretty, like, you know, very lightweight, and I love it. I love this tiny pink tassel. I am in love with it. This was also for just rupees 30. Moving on to the haul, moving on to the clothing items that I got. The first one I just received right now. This is not from Sarojini, but I just got right now. I had to pause the video to collect my courier. So this is this beautiful jegging which has some leatherite pattern going on, and it's plain from the back. And this is from the brand Zoomberg. The brand is originally from Mumbai, and this is a one size. This is from the brand Zoomberg. Let me show you Zoomberg, and this is a one size jegging. I really like it. Let's see how it's gonna look on me. Now coming back to the Sarojini Nagar stuff, and I got a lot of sweaters, and this is like one of them that I got. It is originally for 150 rupees. I love the sweater, especially the print on it. It's kind of those game, that Mario thing. I really like this cute print going on. I love it. It's so warm, it's so thick, and I think even if it's 1 degree here in Delhi, you just have to wear this and you're sorted. It's that warm, and it was for 150 rupees. The other sweater that I got is this one. This is my mom's favorite. She loves it. And this is this black feather wool, and it has all these pink lips going on it. And there were so many colors available in this pattern. And I think you guys can still find it here. This was for 200 rupees, and I love it. This is from the brand Ulmia Stuff. Ulmia, I don't know, Stuff. And this has no brand in it. So this was also for 200 rupees. The other beautiful sweater I got is this Forever 21 sweater from Sarojini, and this was only for 150 rupees. I actually posted a picture of this also, me wearing this with black jeggings and orange heels, and awesome. I'll show you the picture. I'll try to put the picture right into the video so that you guys 150 rupees, and I really love it. I especially like the pocket here, and also the color. Like the color is beige with all these multicolor stuff going on, pink, red, which I don't know whether you can see on camera or not. This one was for 150 rupees from the brand Forever 21. The next thing is one of mine. I loved this shrug, and it's so beautiful. Has some white bows on it. I love it, and this was only for rupees 100. You can easily pair this over your top, or just like a cardigan. Actually it is a cardigan. It's a shrug, and I love it. It was only for rupees 100. There's this beautiful sweater. It is so hot that I don't think that I can wear it in Delhi. It's that hot. So warm, sorry, that I don't think that I can wear it in Delhi. It has this feather wool. The wool itself is very thick, and plus it's feather wool, so that makes it real warm, and I like the pattern. It's beige and black stripes, and I really like this pocket thing here, and yeah, I like it. And this was for 200 rupees. It's a very cool shrug, and I don't remember the price actually. I don't remember. I think it was for in between 100 to 100. I really love the pattern of this blue, beige, black thing going on here. And I got this beautiful coat from Sarojini. This is so good. I think the best one ever. This is from the brand Levusu. You can see Levusu. I love it. It has this feather collar, which fur collar, sorry, which you can remove it. It's like detachable. I love this coat, especially the fit of it. It is amazing. I wore it in Mashobra as well, and I loved it. This has these cute pockets, and the back looks like this. It's a long coat, and this was only for rupees 550. You heard it right. For only for rupees 550. You go to brands like I myself have bought coats for over 3-4 thousand. You get nothing. You get nothing in 500 rupees. So especially a coat like this that you're getting in 550. Kudos to Sarojini Nagar. I'm sure you guys like this video, and there are so many videos that are coming to your way in the coming week. The lookbook, the Mashobra Shimla vlog and stuff like that, and some makeup tutorials as well. So before I end this video, I just wanted to I just wanted to tell you guys something, that there is an app called Spoil app. You spell it like this, SPOYL, Spoil app, which is available in the Play Store. You guys can go there and download the app. Why I'm telling you this thing is because I'm gonna sell a lot of my stuff from my closet. Some of them I have never worn it, like this, and there are a lot of other stuff also. Some of them I've never worn it, some of them I've just worn it for like once or twice, not more than that. So I am going to sell those stuff on this app. A lot of my accessories and other stuff will also be going there. So all you have to do is you just have to follow me on Spoil, and I'm just gonna add my username. You just have to type that username, download the app in your phone, type that username and follow me, and I'm gonna post all my stuff. And I just wanted to show you a glimpse of what is going to be on the Spoil app. This is this beautiful sequence top which I have never worn. I love it. I also had this in mind when I bought it. Is you can pair this with a nice pair of jeggings, with some boots, long boots, normal boots, and this will look awesome. Yeah, this will be on Spoil app. Once you follow me, you will get to know the prices and everything then and there only. And I am also gonna sell this beautiful shrug. It's like half crop top types. You can close it, or it's like a half shrug, and with this cute aeroplane golden brooch here. I'm also gonna sell this. This is from the brand, some Korean brand. I don't know. I have never worn this as well. I'm also gonna sell this crop top, which I absolutely loved it when I bought it. I still love it, but the only thing is that I don't think that I can ever wear this. I really love this, especially the pattern. It's a crop top, feather wool crop top. The best thing is that it has this shoulder detailing. Not the last, I have lots of stuff that I will be uploading on the Spoil app, so you guys have to see. But this is just 2-3 pieces that I wanted to show you, so that you guys, if you want to, you guys can go to Spoil app, download the Spoil app, follow me and shop whatever you like, of course in discounted and affordable prices. This is another jumper, you can say, that I got, and I have never worn this as well. This I think I'm gonna sell for 150-200 rupees, so that you guys can buy it if you like it. This is a very stretchable material. You can wear it under your coat or something. You will love it. So that's all that I shopped, and that's all which I wanted to share with you guys. So all you have to do is please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and also now on Spoil app. If you want to shop from my closet, if you like something, let me know. Maybe it's something that I wanted to sell, so So that's all. Thank you so much.